Very good morning, children. Children, last time we had begin with lesson number 5, family values. Today we'll see the effects of honest and dishonest behavior. Okay? What does honesty and dishonesty play a role in our life? Fine? We do many different things every day. Right, children? We make mistakes sometimes. Yes, children? But when we all realize that we have made a mistake, what should we do? We should not hide our mistake. We should talk about it openly with our friends and family. Okay, children? What happens by doing this? By doing this, we learn to be honest and find out a way to correct our mistakes. Fine, children? And it is also necessary to be honest and sincere in our work. Fine? We must try hard to keep the trust in our relationship, and we should never cheat. If we are honest, we do not have to be uh, afraid in our life. Yes, children? Let us take an example of this. You all might be knowing cricketer Sachin Tendulkar. Yes. In 2011, during a cricket match between India and West Indies, a bowler caught Sachin Tendulkar right at the beginning of the match. Okay. The bowler appealed to the umpire, thinking that the ball had not touched the bat. The umpire declared Tendulkar not out. But children, knowing that the ball had touched his bat, Tendulkar returned to the pavilion though he was declared not out. Means, see, Sachin Tendulkar was honest. Okay, he could have been told that I am not out, but उसने ऐसे किया नहीं, उन्होंने ऐसे किया नहीं. He knew that he was out, so he went back to the pavilion. Okay, children, this is what is called as honesty. Fine. But if we are dishonest, we lose our self confidence. We must be honest at home as well as in public. मतलब घर पे भी और बाहर भी we should be very much honest. Everyone respects an honest person. Honesty is our strength. Fine. सच्चाई की ताकत होती है. Now, honesty in public life. If we are honest in our public life, we will get better public services and facilities, right, children? What happens if we travel on a train or a bus without a ticket? Our public transport system will run at a loss, right, and would soon be shut down. If each person buys ticket honestly, this problem will not arise. Right, children? Honesty can increase efficiency in our public life, and it is the best way to increase discipline and efficiency in public life. Fine, children? Then is advantages of cooperation. मतलब को ऑपरेशन का मतलब है मिलजुल कर रहना. ओके, एक दूसरे को मदद करना, कोऑपरेट करना. इन अ फैमिली वी कोऑपरेट विथ ईच अदर, राइट. फैमिली में सब मिलजुल के रहते हैं. सिमिलरली इन टीम स्पोर्ट्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कबड्डी, cricket, the more the players cooperate with one another, the better is the game, right, children? अगर क्रिकेट में किसी ने कहा कि आई विल नॉट प्ले गुड, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, द एंटायर टीम will get affected by that, right? And they will lose the game, right children? So instead of keeping the feeling of cooperation restricted to sports, we should bring it into our public life as well. Everyone needs cooperation in public life. We too need the help of others. Fairs, rallies, gatherings, functions can only be arranged successfully if we cooperate with each other. Right, children? Yes. Now, children, here is a problem given. You will read the problem and find out the solution, okay? At home. Fine. Now, we'll see what is tolerance. Children, we all have some faults. मतलब हम सब लोगों में कुछ न कुछ कमियां रहती है, राइट? खूबियां भी रहती है और कमियां भी रहती है, राइट? We can improve on these faults with the help of our family and friends. मतलब suppose a girl is weak in maths, okay? What can she do? She can consult someone in her family who is good in maths, right? Then she can practice maths and she can overcome this fault, right children? We may not agree with each other every time. Sometimes there are total disagreements even between friends. मतलब फ्रेंड्स के बीच में भी कभी कभी झगड़े होते रहते हैं. डिसएग्रीमेंट्स मीन्स झगड़े या फिर आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, ओके? At such times, we must try to understand point of view of others instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. On such occasions, we must listen to other person. In this way, we learn to be tolerant, right? Respecting opinions which are different from our own is called as tolerance or broad-mindedness. Fine. Tolerance has a special significance in our country. For example, people from various religions, creeds, cultures and following different customs live here, right? इंडिया में हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई सब लोग रहते हैं. बट वॉट वी से हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई हम सब है भाई भाई. राइट चिल्ड्रन? सो वी ऑल आर brothers and sisters, right children? This is what is called as tolerance, respecting others' opinions. Fine. That is why it is necessary for everyone to be tolerant or broad-minded. Diversity can be preserved through tolerance. Diversity enriches our social life. It encourages us to think about others with concern. We can solve problems in our environment by being tolerant, by being broad-minded. Fine. Now we'll see about another important topic, that is gender equality. Means girls और boys के बीच में समानता. Okay. Boys and girls or men and women are equal as human beings. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called as gender equality. Gender equality का मतलब क्या है? Boys and girls को सभी लेवल पे equal treat करना, समान treat करना. Okay? Boys and girls must respect one another. In the company of our friends, we consider all of them are equal, right children? We must maintain this sense equally as citizens when we grow up. And when we develop this sense of equality, we get to learn and make progress. Food, clothing, shelter, health and education are common needs of men and women, right? For the purpose of equality, each of these needs must be fulfilled properly. Fine, children. Men and women have equal rights to facilities such as these. मीन्स बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स हो या मैन एंड वुमेन हो, सबको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलनी चाहिए. ऑल आर इक्वल, राइट? Whether it is a boy or it is a girl. Similarly, men and women must get equal opportunities of progress. इसका मतलब वो बॉय है इसलिए उसे स्कूल जाने देना चाहिए, और ये गर्ल है इसलिए उसे घर पे बिठा के काम कराना चाहिए. ऐसे होना नहीं चाहिए. बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स दोनों को स्कूल जाने की परमिशन मिलनी चाहिए. ओके, दे शुड हैव इक्वल राइट्स. खाने पीने के मामले में भी बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स शुड गेट इक्वल. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि बॉय है तो उसको ज़्यादा खाना, गर्ल को कम खाना. ऐसे होना नहीं चाहिए. बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स शुड हैव इक्वल opportunities everywhere. Okay, children? Next, what's the solution? The following things are observed in some families. In some homes, boys' uniforms, textbooks and bags are bought first. Purchases for girls are put off. Means some families में boys के uniforms, books, टेक्स्ट बुक्स पहले लाते हैं और गर्ल्स के या तो लाते नहीं है या बाद में लाते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, इट इज़ राइट और रॉन्ग? इट इज़ रॉन्ग, राइट? व्हेन हिज टीम लॉस्ट अ कबड्डी मैच, राजू बिगन टू क्राई. दिनेश सेड, व्हाई आर यू क्राइंग लाइक अ गर्ल? चिल्ड्रन, दिनेश ने उसे बराबर कहा नहीं. What does he mean by crying like a girl? Why can't a boy cry, right? All have the right to do everything equally, right, children? Vandana likes the bat and ball a lot. However, she is given dolls and toy stoves and utensils to play house. ये रॉन्ग है या राइट है? रॉन्ग है, राइट? वंदना को जो चीज़ पसंद है उसे वो मिलनी चाहिए, राइट? वो गर्ल है इसलिए उसे यूटेंसिल्स, डॉल्स देना सही नहीं है. उसका जो इंटरेस्ट है वो उसको मिलना चाहिए, बराबर? सारिका हेल्प्स हर मदर विथ कुकिंग एंड हाउस होल्ड कोर्स. हर ब्रदर इज़ नेवर आस्क्ड टू डू द सेम. ये भी रॉन्ग है, राइट? वो बॉय है इसलिए उसे कुछ करने को बोलते नहीं हैं, बट अगर उसने मदद की तो वो अच्छी ही है ना बात, राइट? सो दिस ऑल्सो इज़ रॉन्ग, राइट? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ऑनेस्टी increases efficiency in public life and makes it possible to avoid wastage of time, money and labor. Okay, now what have we learned from this lesson? Point number 1, everyone in the family must have a say in decision making. Point number 2, we must be honest in our private and public life. Third, tolerance and cooperation makes our community life harmonious and peaceful. Point number 4, a tolerant attitude makes it easy to preserve diversity. And point number 5, men and women are equal and it is not right to discriminate between them. Okay, children? So, children, with this we have finished chapter number 1, that chapter number 5, that is family values. Okay, children? So I will give you notes at the end of the lecture. Thank you.